Now, before I explain anything about Craigslist ghosting, flagging, shadow bans, or why your ads disappear, let me show you the exact setup professional sellers use to run multiple Craigslist accounts safely. And here's the truth. On Craigslist, nothing matters except your account infrastructure. You can write epic copy, post in 20 cities, have amazing offers, but if your account falls under suspicion, you're wasting your time. Now, I'll walk you through my tech setup first because it's easier than you think, and I'll explain exactly how it works. Plus, there's a freebie at the end. The technical setup using GoLogin. Now, the tool I recommend is called GoLogin. It gives you separate virtual laptops inside one dashboard. These aren't fake machines, they're completely unique on a hardware level. Even platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy can't actually identify them. So here's what the setup looks like. Step 1, install GoLogin. Go to gologin.com, sign up and download the app, and then log in. You'll see a dashboard with browser profiles. Each profile is an isolated browser environment, one of those virtual laptops I just mentioned. Now, you can use any amount of them. And here's the key difference. You're switching computers, not accounts. And that's totally fine with Craigslist. No suspicion whatsoever. Step 2, create one profile per account. Click Create Profile with the plus on the left side. Name it after your account for convenience. Then next, set up your IP address. Step 3, assign a proxy IP. Click the plus at the location column to add a proxy. Choose your country and then click Connect. Now, GoLogin provides residential proxies, but if you know proxies, you can paste your own. And I'll give you some tips on IPs in just a moment. But an important rule, one Craigslist account equals one profile equals one IP. Never mix them. You can, however, use other platforms inside these profiles, just like a real person's laptop would. Step 4, log into Craigslist. Go ahead and click Run, and a new browser window opens. Now, this is your fully isolated environment. Log into your account or create a new one. Work just like normal, then close the window once you're done. And step 5, scale it. Create a new profile and IP for each Craigslist account. Every time you click Connect IP, you get a fresh address. You can add any amount. You only pay for traffic, and some is actually already included in your monthly plans. Now you can even run multiple profiles simultaneously, and most importantly, safely. Now, this whole setup is the advanced setup professional teams use to run multiple Craigslist accounts, plus Amazon, Etsy, and eBay without getting restricted. And a quick expert tip on proxy IPs, GoLogin provides limited proxy locations, and IPs can be random around the US. It works fine, but pro sellers also use static residential proxies. Static IPs give you a fixed location, which is best for long-term use with the same account. Now, if you do want to post from 50 specific cities, look for static IPs. You can check out floppy data for quality static proxies. I'll leave the link in the description below. How Craigslist actually moderates accounts. I know Craigslist looks old school, but don't confuse simple design with a simple system. Craigslist moderation works through automated pattern detection, community flagging, IP tracking, phone verification, posting behavior analysis. Now, their top priority is trust and reducing spam. And guess what looks like spam? Multiple identical accounts posting the same stuff aggressively from the same environment. If your accounts get linked, you'll get ghosted, and there's no way back. That's why proper isolation matters. But here are some legit reasons as to why you should run multiple accounts. This matters if you're posting in different cities, different service categories, separate niches, lead generation scaling, testing offers, or having backup accounts. For example, a pro setup might look like this. One account for home services, one for car flipping, one for apartment rentals, and one for job postings. That's totally normal. But if all of them post from the same browser, same IP, same laptop with copied text and identical rhythm, Craigslist sees coordination, and coordination equals spam in their system. Craigslist warm-up strategy. Most people skip this. Now, warming up is where 90% of people fail. Even with the best tools, human behavior matters. People create an account and immediately post 25 ads. That behavior will get you blocked. You don't walk into a party and shout, "Buy my stuff." So, here's how to warm up accounts properly. Day 1 to 2. Browse listings, click around, search different categories, save listings you like, then do nothing for a day. Day 3 to 4, post one simple ad. Browse some more, check on the ad once or twice max. Day 5 to 7, reply to inquiries naturally, build account age, behave like a normal person and don't rush everything eagerly. Craigslist trusts boring behavior. Aggressive behavior gets buried. If your account acts like it just had 5 coffees and joined a sales seminar, you won't last. Posting strategy that avoids flagging. Here are some practical rules specifically for Craigslist, so write these down, especially if you're new to the platform. You should always warm up profiles first. Never duplicate titles word for word. Rotate descriptions. Change image sets. Resize images before reusing. Avoid all caps. Don't spam external links. Don't use VPNs with GoLogin, and don't use automation tools immediately. The best way to scale is to post 1 to 3 times per account per day max. Rotate categories. Rotate time of day. Keep posting patterns human. Track which account posts where using a spreadsheet. And yes, I know it's boring, but boring is what works here. For multiple city posting, use different IPs per city. Check if the city is available on GoLogin, or get specific cities from floppy data or another IP provider. And a safety tip, be smart about location logic. Posting in New York and Los Angeles within 10 minutes? Super suspicious. Even Superman doesn't travel that fast. Make a posting schedule and follow it naturally. Phone verification and account trust. Craigslist also requires phone verification for some categories. So, important points are to use different numbers per account, avoid recycling the same number, and don't mass verify accounts on one day. Also, respond to inquiries manually. Accounts with unanswered emails look automated, and a response rate builds trust. Now, people underestimate Craigslist because of its old-fashioned interface, but it still works extremely well. Craigslist traffic converts because it's intent-based. People aren't there for fun. They're looking to solve problems and buy now. Top use cases normally include local lead generation, home services, real estate rentals, car flipping, move-in services, digital services locally, and job recruiting. This isn't social media scrolling. Craigslist is real action-based traffic, so use it wisely. All right, and here's the bonus that I promised at the beginning. GoLogin has a free forever plan, but if you want to scale, use the promo code on screen for 50% off your first purchase. You can use the code now to save for the discount later on. Now, when you sign up, you also get a 7-day free trial to test everything before paying. Link and code are in the description below. Now, if you're serious about running multiple Craigslist accounts safely, don't mess with VPNs or different phones. Start with GoLogin. Now, if this helped, hit the like and subscribe for more real strategy breakdowns, and drop your questions in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.